Hi everyone! It's Ega from Soca AI. In this video, I will show you how to build your own AI agent with no technical skills or coding experience needed. With Agent Studio, you can design, test, and launch your AI in just a few clicks. So, let's get started. Today, we are going to build a WhatsApp commerce agent, an AI that helps users discover products, try them on virtually, and complete their purchases seamlessly, all in one experience. Every workflow begins with Start Conversation. Here, you will select the channel your agent will use: chat, WhatsApp, or voice stream. For this tutorial, choose WhatsApp. Then, pick the number you'd like your agent to use. Make sure it's already registered and verified by Meta and integrated with the social platform, so your agent is ready to chat instantly. Or you can start with a sandbox number for a quick and free test before going live. Next, let's define your AI's role and character in the global prompt node. Since we are building a WhatsApp commerce agent, its role will be similar to an online store assistant. For example, you are Sylvia, the official online store agent of such a store. You answer questions about product in a friendly, simple, and semi-formal tone. Always respond in the same language used by the user. These prompts helps your agent stay consistent in tone, style, and purpose throughout every conversation. If you have supporting data from documents like Excel, PDF, or Docs, you can add it as knowledge. Now, to control your agent's behavior, we will create instructions, just like giving clear tasks to a teammate. In the condition node, you can set detailed prompts for how your AI should act. Here are a few tips for writing effective instruction prompts. Be clear and structured with your directions, and set boundaries so the AI doesn't respond outside your product scope. Here's an example of an instruction prompt. Now, let's connect your agent with Shopify. It's very simple. Just add Shopify under the Tools section. Then, enter your store link. To make shopping experience more engaging, you can also add the virtual try-on, so customers can try products before buying. You can also integrate other tools like APIs to pull data automatically from other systems or webhook for custom integration. Once everything's ready, click Save and Publish Agent. You can instantly test your agent by scanning the WhatsApp QR code, and in seconds, you will see it working in real time. And that's it. That's how you can create your own agent on the Socha platform. Super easy, right? Give it a try and see what you can build. Good luck. Happy creating with Socha.